Hello guys!
In this video, we're going to show you how easily you can make carpet for your dollhouse by using this weaving frame. I enjoyed a lot while using this. So let me show you how to weave a carpet. There are so many web shops, those are selling weaving frames. I bought also online. So here I'm gonna start to weave. I just start weaving. But Lily's almost going to complete her carpet. So come on, let's see her frame. Wow, Lily, what a great job!
Oh yeah! Ta-da!
What a lovely little carpet. Now let's go and see how Rebecca is setting her new bedroom.
Come on, y'all see!
Wow, lovely!
Rebecca did a great job!
So guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel, These Lily Kids Fun!
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!